Mrs. Mayer from the Science Department, and welcome to my kitchen. One of the things you may be missing doing in your science classes is doing an experiment. Well, you can get into your kitchen and practice your science skills by cooking. Reading a recipe and measuring the ingredients is just like following a science experiment. Start off simple. You might want to start by just making Rice Krispie treats. Follow the directions right on the box. It only takes a few ingredients and you end up with a nice treat. Make it special. Melt some chocolate chips, about a cup, in the microwave for a minute. Stir, melt again for another 30 seconds. Once it's melted, pour it on top of your Rice Krispie treats. You can also make Mrs. Hollenbach's famous Scotcheroos using Rice Krispies. If you have a box of brownies at home, just follow the recipe on the back of the box and make Mrs. Brown proud. You might also want to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies. Usually the recipe is right on the back of the package, or you can also go online and find recipes. Recipes online often have step-by-step picture directions and maybe even a video. You can even watch Netflix show, Great British Baking Show, to be inspired. There's even a master class that shows you step-by-step what to do. Whatever you'd like to bake, make sure you clean up your kitchen when you're finished. We don't want a messy lab and we don't want a messy kitchen either. So find your recipe, get all your needed ingredients, all your supplies, your bowl, your measuring cups, your spoons, and start baking. Make a treat for your family tonight. As they say in the Great British Baking Show, on your mark, get set, bake.